What's up everybody, Danny Crafts here, and welcome to another episode of Crafting with Daniel. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you all how to make dust covers for these candles. I made a dust cover and candle label video in the past, but I just wanted to make one specific to making a custom dust cover at your home. You'll need a Cricut and a printer for this. You can find those in your house, and let's dive on in. So this is a candle that I just made. It is a winter Christmas candle called a Berry Berry Christmas. I may have already explained one of these. It's a bestseller, but I'm doing a restock. And I don't put any labels on it. I just make a custom dust cover. All you need to make one of those is some cardstock. You can use white, you can use craft, any color you like, but I'm using some light cardstock here. And I'm just gonna open up my project that I have this in on my Cricut. I should have a dust cover, Berry Berry Christmas candle dust cover. There we go. We're gonna customize that. And just to show you how I make that, it's pretty simple actually. So it's gonna be a quick little video today. So you just wanna measure it out. So the diameter of this is 3 inches. So I want it a little bit inside of that. So I'm gonna do 2.75. Last time I did 2.95 and it was a little oversized. So I'm just gonna make it a bit smaller just to be safe. So gonna delete all these ones. We're gonna do 2.75. Berry Berry Christmas, blah, blah, blah. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 of them. So I'm just gonna duplicate, 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 duplicate. Perfect. And if you see here, I'll just zoom in to show you, it is a circle welded with a little square piece at the bottom. So I just combined 2 shapes. This is all text, and then I flattened the whole image. Pretty easy stuff. Take a shape, so that's a circle. You take a different shape, add a little square. This is the part that will fold up. Just put at the bottom, and you're going to weld them together. Makes one solid shape. You also are going to need a square in the center. If you have a wooden wick or a circle for just a standard wick, put it in the center like that. And then you are actually going to slice this image so that it takes out the centerpiece. There's where your wick would go. Add text to the top and bottom here, and then you would just flatten that image once you're ready to go. But I already have mine made, so I'm not gonna have to do anything too crazy there. So it's getting my project ready. I'm just gonna get ahead and put my white cardstock into my printer here. Yeah, that was a squat. I've been working out. So I am just going to click continue, send to printer. Make sure I have the right printer selected. Gonna print that bad boy off. How's everyone doing today? Yeah. Hope your candle sales have been doing well. I've been making a lot of ornaments this year, but in the new year, I'm gonna focus on candles. So I like making candles more than I like making ornaments, and people probably won't be buying ornaments after Christmas. So that's my plan for the new year. It's getting awkward. Perfect. That's what it looks like when it's all printed. Might not look like it makes sense, but it will. Trust me. And I'm just actually going to go ahead and print the second page. It's actually going to be a significant waste of paper, and you will see why, but I'll just reuse the paper afterwards. So let's get that printed out as well. Running out of things to talk about here. Perfect. Okay, so there is the 7th one all on its own. For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna just do this one since it'll be quicker. So my print then is I'm gonna pretend I didn't just say that. My print then cut is secure to the paper. I'm gonna put that in and press cut. What it's going to do is it's going to scan the image first, then it's going to cut it out. Awesome. So once I take that out, it is a circle with a rectangle in the middle and a little flap at the bottom. a DIY dust cover just like that. It's obviously better if you're making more at once because, as you saw, it takes a little bit of time just to make one, but goes on the candle just like that. Every candle is a little bit different in terms of the wick sizing, so I made my rectangle a little bit bigger than the wick, and it looks just like that. A berry Christmas. Wishing you all a very happy holidays, and hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Hope I remembered to click record.